get too excited and let you down. But you still give me your best. Kaya I just wanted you to be proud of me. It's my way of giving back the love you give me every day. Also, superheroes are what you want. In the future, when I grow up, I'll protect you and take care of you. Like you always do with me.
Where's your bag?
I love
Huh?
you.
Where's your bag?
The number one fan.
Where? Your pretty bag? Not your boo-boo. Where's your boo-boo? Show your boo-boo. Where's your boo-boo, baby? Andy? Can I see your boo-boo? Huh? You have your boo-boo. Where? Where, baby? Where's your boo-boo? Where's your boo-boo? Sorry. Boo-boo? Boo-boo? Where? Look at your hands. Look at your hands, Andy. Look. Look at it. Hands? Dirty? Dirty? Don't. No. No.
Next big star on TV, Marian Rivera as Marimar.
Nagpatan ako, nagpa-extensions ako. Tapos marami akong ginawa. Kasi nagpakulo, tinaray namin.
At the time, si Maria ay masasabi na parang layo na Rivera. Kasi nung nakita namin siya, she had great potential. Napaamong mukha. Nag-exude siya in a sense of
Singka.
sexy siya.
Build me a building, build me a library or dental school. Build me a building.
Hinilig daw ako. Hindi na naisip ko rin ka na ngayon ang maging number one.
Babi ka na ulit.
Di ba?
Bye. See you soon.
Malay mo this year, pag i-invite nila ako, malay mo pag i-invite nila ako, kumain niya ako this time.
Kasabay na after blessing, hindi nakaiwas si Maria sa mga impiga.
Ay, talaga ako nun.
Hindi po ako perfecto tao.
Hindi po perfecto ang buhay ko. Pero, wala po akong tinataon sa inyo. Lahat, binigay ko sa lahat. Talaga, yung so, lumasan ka rin na
Ano ba yan? Kadiri mo siya ng pen.
hanggang ngayon, yung training siya, umamus pa rin ako. Nakakaloka.
Parang kang yagit, anak.